Ministry of Agriculture in China. So there are around 24 labs. I mean, latest figure maybe is not very a lot, 24, 25, 26. So something like, I think official from last year, I still know it's 24 DHI labs. So which located in different provinces, but major to the big farm province. So for these DHI labs, the government gave the subsidy to these labs to ask them to collect in all the dairy samples, the milk samples from the different cow, to the DHI labs. Actually, they have a lot of large samples to send it to the DHI labs. They will test in the somatic cells and some other also testing protein, fat, etc. things. But the parameter cells actually used as a parameter which to back to the farmers to tell them the health of this cow and to help them to improve the yield of the milk. That's the kind of the purpose for the Chinese government, which is supporting this, to improve the cow, improve the milk yield. So I think that's the majority testing of the somatic cells which happen in China. That's my understanding.
Okay. So to summarize, basically smaller companies probably do not test somatic cell counts as a milk quality parameter anyway. Large dairy companies would probably test this as one of the incoming QC parameter to determine overall quality among many other parameters like protein content, etc. that you mentioned. But then there are these DHI labs funded by the government to improve the milk output, probably more or less as part of the herd quality. And you said these around 24 labs, they would do the majority of somatic cell count testing in China. Is that right?
Yeah, that's the majority of this. In China, we call DHI labs. That is the majority testing of the somatic cell counts, which and subsidized by the government. So actually, the farmer don't pay the samples when the government pay the samples for the farmer. Yeah.
Okay, and so these tests, are these then run per cow or is it per tank? And how often is it tested?
And for the dairy, for the dairy sites, if they are collecting the milk to the federal process, I think they are testing per tank because this is the income quality control for them. But when we talk about the DHI labs, actually they are testing per cow because this parameter will back to farmer to improve them to help them to improve the health of the cow, to understand the situation of the cow. So actually they have each cow, like a farmer, they have 3,000 cow. Each cow they have a tracking number, like a kind of the numbers, and when they take the sample from the cow, they also this number also this number would also reflect on the samples. So when you get the tested results, you know the sample will be, which that's parameter that belong to which cow, and they can give you individual guidance. So that's the one. And for the test frequency, I think on the dairy side, I think each tank when you deliver, they need to test because that's the milk raw material quality control. But at the DHI labs, there will be actually it's different by different labs according to the different province. Some provinces they say each week you will send you have a 3,000 cow. You send each week you need to send one sample to the DHI labs to do the testing. And some farmers they send them maybe twice by week, some once, but some it varies. I mean, but normally 1 or 2 weeks